Do you know how many kids there are out there that can't open a combination lock? Today is your day. Because right here, you're learning how to open a combination lock.
Okay. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna just be aggressive with it. Turn it to the right. Always to the right. Then you're gonna go find your number. Always to the right. And there you go. There's your first number, 2. Second number, you're gonna go to the left. But you're gonna pass your second number, which is 27. So we passed it once. And here it is. That's the second number. The third number is the best. You're going to go straight to that number going right. And there it is, 7. If you did it right, bam! There it is. And now, boys and girls, what not to do?
So you go to your right. My next number is going to be 5. I have to go to my left and pass that number the first time, then get to it and land on it the second time.
Now, boys and girls, if you look closely, look very closely, she stops and she moves the combo a little bit, ever so slightly, back to the left. And that is going to be a problem later.
My next number is 35, which is over here, but I have to go to my right. So I'm going to land on 35 and not open.
Okay, a coaching tip, boys and girls. You have to hit your numbers exactly every time.
Too late for PE or athletics. So we're going to try it one more time.
I'm going to go to 23.
23.
To the right.
To the right.
23. Then we're going to go to 5 on the second time. For passing it, we're going to land on it. And then we're going to go to 35 to the right. 35.
Okay, boys and girls. And this is why practice is very, very important. Practice. Ta-da!